Hello my friends, your family or Dr. AP. Again the fever cases have increased tremendously. In one family if one is getting fever, minimum 2 or 3 are getting fever again. Now the point is my friends, these fever cases have increased in a year at least 2 or 3 times. We say in Marathi, in Hindi, tapachi saat. The fever cases always increased. Viral infection. In short, earlier in English we used to say viral infection has come again. Viral infection has come. Since many years, since so many years, thousands of years. But now the name has been given last couple of years. Corona, then in between Delta, and now the name has been given as Omicron. Omicron cases have increased. See, it's very difficult to explain to people who have really closed their eyes. But even then you open your ears, what I am saying that see, don't pressurize on checking. Till now it is good that government is not pressurizing, because if again the checking increases, you believe me, maximum more than 50% cases will again be coming as Omicron positive. Go and do the treatment from your doctor. Simple. Fortunately now all the hospitals are allowed to treat. All the clinics have also opened, dispensaries, even they are treating now without fear. Earlier they were afraid because government was telling, don't touch. The good thing is now the oxygen is not becoming hypoxia. Means the patients are not getting hypoxic. Oxygen is not coming down. And that is only a good reason that we should not panic. We should really do not panic, I am requesting you. And probably this is because of the vaccination. Because of the vaccination, probably our body has got immunized and the oxygen is not coming down. Patients are not getting hypoxic. Hence vaccination was important. But now the fear should not be there. Government should not pressurize anything now. They should not pressurize for checking, they should not pressurize for lockdown, they should not pressurize for fine, no fine now. Because again I am explaining, last 2 years you must have seen, it has come in between. It comes, goes. This was there earlier also. Now they take the name of wave, first wave, second wave, third wave. Believe my words, if you continue this, waves will keep on coming for years and years. After thousands of years, you will say now 1000 wave has come. 1100 has come. Waves will keep on coming. Now you have started counting. These waves were there already. The waves of viral infection, it comes every year, couple of times, maximum 3 times. We all know that. That viral infection comes every year, at least in rainy season, it is massive. So the request is, please do not panic, and I request to the media that do not spread this news of, oh my God, Omicron is increased. Again it's increased, it's increasing very fast, very rapidly. These all bring only fear in the minds of common man. Really, already children have suffered by sitting at home full year, more than 1 year now, 2 years now. Now this should stop. Common sense, apply common sense. This was there, this is there, and this will be there. The only thing is, again I am explaining, your oxygen level by your pulse oximeter. Your oxygen should be normal, that's it. You will recover, you have to recover. Because death is there only when you get hypoxic. The main reason for death in viral infection, corona, Omicron, anything, and that is hypoxia. Please do not panic. Tremendous patients have increased. Every clinic has 50, 60, hundreds of patients. Every clinic. If you go and pressurize on examination, checking COVID or testing, antigen testing, you will again spread this third wave, and then the panic will increase. So request to everyone in the whole world that please relax. Do not spread rumors. Do not panic. Just check your oxygen. It's a request from a family doctor, Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Namaskar.